Welcome back, Marcos and Marco. Hey everyone, how's everybody doing? All right. So I hope you guys made some profits during the session. Oh, thank you, Gizno. Applause for everybody for the support. Thank you for supporting. GR Motion, welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Yeah, you were right. Actually, Kid Poker, good morning. Yes. Morning. Good to see you, Kid Poker. Yeah, 990. You said it. Actually, you called it too. That perfect call. You called it. How do you connect the Rhythmic to it? Let me show you. So basically, I don't know why I put it to M Futures, but you have to just add. Where is it? Search connections. Search connections, Rhythmic, paper trading, something like that. Now that's connected. That's connected. I'm connected to MyFundedFutures. This is MyFundedFutures. I don't know why is everything under M Futures. Don't ask me why. But if you choose Rhythmic, oh, just on the plus sign, you just have to choose Rhythmic Chicago area, I think. You put in your username from your dashboard that you see on Buleanox and the password, and there you go. That's how simple it is to connect. And you just connect. Something like that. Oh yeah, because okay, Rhythmic. You have to if you start Rhythmic Trader, you have to accept the data. You have to sign up for the data in Rhythmic Trader Pro first. I think that could be an issue. Morning from Uruguay. Hey Suarez, past 150k evaluation yesterday. Jesus Christ, Kid Poker, congratulations. Congratulations. So Gizno, log into Rhythmic Trader Pro. At your first login, there should be a window where you have to click on the check mark to accept the data. You press OK or something, and then it lets you to log into Rhythmic Trader Pro. And then close out Rhythmic Trader Pro, because you cannot log in only one instance at a time. Okay, so you can't log in from Quantower or NinjaTrader and from Rhythmic. So you have to close Rhythmic Trader Pro and use Quantower after that. Something like that. That has to resolve the issue. Yeah, full instructions on Apex. By the way, good idea. Gizno, if you go to Apex website, there are detailed instructions how to connect. Buleanox doesn't really have too much instructions about connecting, but Apex has a lot. So if you go there, good idea, Kid Poker. If you go there, you will find it. Anyway, let's see. We are taking out, actually we have already taken out the 5-minute fair value gap above the VWAP, and relative equal highs to the left, nothing special. Want to pass 25k on news? That should be simple, right? Oh yeah, 25k on news, guys, let's go. YOLO a few accounts. Let me see. News. Final GDP. Okay, unemployment claims. Yeah, we are expecting some volume in the market, that's for sure. I'm gonna be curious how's this gonna play out. Let's see. What else do we have? Pending home sales. Nothing is gonna happen until 10 a.m. by the way, I think. Look at gold. Look at gold. This was the place where Quant Tower did not let me to enter the trade. I couldn't put on the order. London session, 2:45 a.m. London session. It was live on stream. I couldn't put the trade on. Connection error, state error, whatever. Everything was total messed up. And by the time everything worked out, price was already somewhere here. I don't even know. Somewhere here. So I missed this entry, and guess what? Boom. This just went. Huge FOMO. Huge FOMO. I feel sad. Why is this only happening to me? I can't enter the perfect trade on gold. Anyway. Nothing is simple with futures. Hey Dominic, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna wait most likely as well. Good morning, Craig. Marshall, good to see you guys again. So have you been looking into the secret strategy? Oh, secret strategy. The secret strategy. By the way, I checked the video, Dominic. That's the secret strategy? I haven't checked the Excel sheet yet, but the video from yesterday, I checked it. It's awesome. Where's my Discord? Here. All right, all right. Secret, all right. So, you know what they say, Dominic and Kid Poker, you know, when two people, I mean, if there's more than one people knowing it, it's not a secret anymore. So, come on, you know, give it to me. I want to hear it. It definitely is interesting. It definitely is interesting. Absolutely decent. I have to rewatch it again. 90R, 90. But you know, it's interesting. Tom, I think it will go down. Marcos has spoken. I guess 90R is 900%, something like that. How much is the account on BuleNox after you pass it? The 50K is 148 bucks. The 25K is 140. Let me check it, but I think BuleNox activation fee. Google is your friend, guys. Never forget it. I just typed into Google Buleanox activation fee, master account rules. No. Yeah, sorry, here it is. The 25K is $143. The 50K is $148. The 100K is $248. I suggest don't go bigger than 100K account with Buleanox because the activation fee is insane. $500 and $900 for the 150K and 250K. I would suggest to go maximum with a 100K account. The ideal is 50K, and I know many people like the 25K. Don't go with the 150. The activation fees are mental here. So anyway, if you want to go big with the big account, I suggest go with Apex. $40 for the big accounts. You can check it up there somewhere. And so $40, yeah. And lifetime activation fee is $85 if you pass it until the mid-August, I think, August 15. So you're welcome. Oh Jesus, I have sirens from the street coming in. Some accident, I think. There's a main road not too far from here. And there's a hospital down at the end of the road, so I hear many sirens during the day. Oh yeah, 4 minutes until news. Get ready. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Let's go. Let's go. I don't even know which account to watch or what. What is going on? Connection issue with Buleanox. Come on. All right, I'm gonna go to an Apex account. All right. So this is Nasdaq on a 1 minute chart. I'm just switching here until the news comes out. I'm not really looking at 1 minute charts right now, as you guys know it. I'm just chilling on the 5 minutes, but we're gonna watch this on the 1 minute for a little bit. How the candles are printing, how it behaves, or what's gonna happen. You know, the usual. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. It's definitely cheaper to get 750K accounts than 250Ks. Yeah. And also you get 7 times higher probability to pass. That's true. Pure mathematics. Market dumps last night, now coming back. Oh yeah, coming back strong. If you know what you do, yeah, exactly. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. We have 50 seconds until news. It's gonna be a mess. Just saying. Be careful with YOLOing. Anything can happen. Be careful. All right. All right. Almost. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Spiking higher. Spiking higher. It's not that. Oh, look at it both ways. Wow. 72, 20 points up there. Interesting. I don't know what's the number. So I'm just gonna wait. I hope I don't have any orders open. No, I have nothing. I'm flat. Just want to make sure. Fake out. Maybe it's a fake. Yeah, could be. Look at this. Total indecision. Nothing is working out so far. No direction. Everything is just the same. Let me check on gold real quick. Gold spiked higher. Back to NQ, 5 minute. All right, no surprise here. Let's check the number. As expected. Well, somewhat good news. Durable goods orders. No, not really good. Mixed data, I think. It's a little bit mixed data. More likely better news than bad news. It's a little bit mixed, but somewhat good news, I think. So, but we all know that the market doesn't really care about the data. We all learn it now. We all know that the market don't really care about the numbers because it's heavily manipulated now. All we have to do is wait 90 minutes, actually 89 minutes until the next number, and nothing to do until then. Oh man. That's it. That is it. Let the dust settle. Yeah. So trading, that's why trading is one of the most boring professions or jobs or endeavors in the whole universe, the other universe. I must learn to speak, guys. It's either because I'm sleepy, or I'm just getting dementia, or I don't know, because I did not have enough coffee. It's hard. Oh, sorry. This was support. I don't know why. Okay. Never mind. Okay, NQ spiking a little bit higher. Oh, it's hard to tell. I mean, I just don't understand what's it doing. I'm gonna set up an alert just to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. By the way, gold took out this previous day high beautifully. Look at that. Saya, hey, hello. Everything is good. I hope with you too as well. So we took out relative equal highs up there with gold. I'm curious if this one wants to dump again. I'm gonna delete this because this is just gonna mess up my thinking process. This one and this one. It's irrelevant. Nice. Good luck to you. Good luck to you too. Well, seems like nothing to do. We took out both sides, no direction. So first we have to build up some structure and then break to one of the directions. Relative equal highs at 27-ish area, or going down to midnight level at 9:12. Nobody knows. No volume. Oh yeah. Nasdaq is officially unplugged, everyone. It's officially unplugged. Nothing to do. Let's go. Looking for something good here. Don't ask me what. Some good trades. By the way, I know we're not talking about it too much, but I'm going to make a video about the option 2 accounts at Buleanox. We basically never talk about it. J-Ho is here. I think we will see relative equal highs. I just don't like how we did not go below midnight open today. Yeah, that's interesting. Definitely. I mean, I don't even understand it. But yeah. Yeah, it seems like we're approaching that 27-ish area, relative equal highs. Could be risky to take it, but let me zoom it out and let's understand this together. All right, this is actually a bullish breaker. Look at that. Let's dive into it and correct me if I'm wrong, because I could be wrong many cases, and I used to be. All right, here is a market structure shift, right? Bullish market structure shift right there on the 5-minute. This is a shift, and this is almost a shift. Let's see, the high of this candle is 85.75 and the close of this candle is 85.75. So we have technically 2 shifts here. All right, liquidity sweep. Guys, did you see the television series Dr. House, right? Dr. House. So Dr. House had the other doctors with him to contradict his opinion, you know. And never mind what I said. I think we can shut down the stream. Methodical Man is here, the man of the hour. So until this line, that's how long was my glory is holding on. Until this moment on, he is ruling the whole YouTube space. So thank you for watching, and who cares about it anymore, right? See you guys tomorrow. We will definitely retrade that wick 950. All right. His Grace have spoken. 950. So forget about what I just said. It doesn't really matter. We're going back to 950. So it is. I'm fooling around. I hope you guys know. Anyway, eventually. I totally forgot what I meant to say, but never mind. This candle is closing right now, and That's it. So we have that fair value gap right there. We have a liquidity sweep. Bottom center. Okay. Liquidity sweep, market structure shift, bullish breaker. I have one of these things. Let me know. Bullish breaker. So, if I put the fib tool here, well, what do you know? Optimal trade entry is just lined up with this. And we have the 27 up there as a possible target. Marcos is saying he's going to enter a long position. I don't know, Marcos. We have to ask Methodical Man first, because if he gives you the go, then I think you can. Otherwise, I don't know. So Methodical Man, we need your confirmation. 2049 looks juicy on 5 minute. All right, we have it. So Avengers, assemble. Let's go. Long, but I'm not gonna go long here. So I'm gonna be. I approve your trade idea. Thank you. Looks juicy. All right. Thank you. What I'm looking for is a retracement down here. And if someone knows what's the problem with this trade, I'm gonna give an applause. What's the real problem with this trade that gets an applause? So the real problem with the Gabor de Han. Yeah, I have to ask Methodical Man about the Chachi. Good morning. Oh yeah. So the real problem with this trade is, as juicy as it looks, we have the 9:30 market open and we have the 10 a.m. numbers. That's it. That's the only problem. Otherwise, this whole scenario, we have a good target up there. Bullish breaker, fair value gap, OTE, liquidity sweep, displacement. What else you want? We have everything. Everything ready. Price finished right now on these levels, and I think it still want to go higher. We have the relative equal highs. I mean, low-hanging fruit, well, Riggs says effery. Long all dips on NQ till we hit the relative equal highs. That's what J-Ho says. I don't know. I have to ask someone. Can we do it? Can we do it? Come on. He says we can do it. So I'm gonna place a pending order. I think I'm gonna go crazy. That's official by now. All right. I'm gonna place a pending order at 75.25. Small position, buy limit. Jesus, I don't even know I want to do this or not. All right. Pending order placed at 75.25. $75.25. 0.5 is not a lot of risk if you go in with micros. I'm going in with micros. Oh yeah, you use minis. Okay, yeah, totally forgot. You go with minis. Tom, do you realize what you actually did with the fib? Does it look similar to the secrets? Oh yeah. My favorite prop firm. Don't tell it to anyone. It's MyFundedFutures. 2 reasons. One reason is that I think MyFundedFutures gives you the most freedom in trading. If you check the I know it's more expensive than a BULENOX account or an Apex account, I know, but the expert account has the activation fee in the price as well, so it's included. So it gives you the most freedom with the least of rules to go by. So that's the main thing. I like them. And the other thing, I like them because I'm an affiliate for them. And I got some affiliate commission. But actually it's coming from any one of you guys who is supporting me. So no, jokes aside, I think really MyFundedFutures is for me personally, every prop firm is personal perspective for everyone, right? Every prop firm has their own features that you might like or you might dislike. In my case, I think MyFundedFutures is the go-to. Did you have any payout? Once, yes. And then I blew the account. Unfortunately. But I'm building up again. I'm building up new accounts. And you know, one of the purpose of this, the whole, I mean, for being here on YouTube is to finally get payouts, funded accounts shown on the live stream from MyFundedFutures, but I'm behind with MyFundedFutures. I have funded accounts with BULENOX, Apex, TOPSTEP, not with Take Profit Trader yet, but I wanted to be the first I wanted to push MyFundedFutures the most on the funded level, and it's actually, so I blew it anyway. I blew 3 accounts in 6 weeks funded, so not proud of it. Currently building the funded accounts with TOPSTEP, Apex, and BULENOX. But I know some of you guys asked me, so I'm gonna do the monthly recap because it's the end of the month of how am I doing with the fundeds, what happened with the recent funded accounts I had. You know, I think it should be oh great, Saya, thank you for the support. Thank you, that is awesome. Thank you. What, sorry? You don't have to sorry about that. We cannot, it's in the cards. You know, if you're trading with prop firms, it happens. Started the day with 993 down, 1000 was the daily drawdown. I'm 17 green. Whoa, oh my god, Gabor Dehan was fighting with $7 with $7 drawdown, I mean, so, yeah, limit. Gabor managed to bring it back up. I was $7 leverage. Jesus, that is wild. That is wild. That is wild. By the way, if anyone is using the MyFundedFutures code, make sure to click on my link if you would like to give some credit to the stream. I don't really know how these cookies are working, but make sure to click on the link and use the code, because they say sometimes it's not registering, so make sure to click on the link. But anyway, whatever, you can use anybody's code. Just choose the one prop firm that fits you most. That's what it's important. At least use somebody's code whenever you purchase one of these funded accounts. You know, help out a streamer. It doesn't have to be me. You can help out any streamer you like by using their code. All right, seems like we're edging higher. Gold saved you. I mean, gold, tell me about it. This morning, Gabor, I'm gonna talk in Hungarian for 10 seconds, guys. Szóval nézd meg, itt volt egy bullish breaker, nem bírtam belépni ezen a ponton, mert szar volt a kapcsolat a ritmikkel, meg a kvantával is beszart. Baszakodtam, bocsánat a szóért, mindenhogy, itt már elment a piac, és tökéletes ügylet. Na mindegy. Alright. I missed my best entry on gold this morning in London session. I was so frustrated about it. I was so frustrated about gold this morning. Anyway, look at this. NQ is going higher. Okay. Erkan. MFF posted today that they changed their drawdown rules. Oh yeah. They are going to add more drawdown to the starter account. So for example, TopStep has $2,000 drawdown on their 50K account. Just to compare, they're going to add 500 more, so $2,500 drawdown on their account. So that's also good. Also, just a reminder, from July the 1st, if you would like to start with MyFundedFutures, they are waving goodbye, I don't know if forever or not, for the activation fee on the starter account. So no activation fee on the starter, but there's going to be no discount, no promotion or anything. It's going to be $80. $80 and no discount, nothing. So there's no code. I mean, you can type in my code. I don't know if it gives credit or not, but no discount, $80 and no activation fee. And what else? No activation fee, $80, more drawdown, and I don't know, something else too. I don't know what else. I don't know what else. Let me check on it. There's going to be something else too. Copy trading allowed, yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to wait. All right, this setup is not valid anymore to me. We're getting closer to market open. So I'm deleting my pending order, I think. Actually, I can put the FIB tool here, but 75, 25. It's still okay. It's still optimal trade entry. Okay, I'm still leaving this order. I'm still having my pending order there, or limit order. It's 75.25. But I don't like the fact that we're approaching market open. So you know what? I'm going to delete. I'm deleting it. No orders. I'm going flat. I'm going flat. I don't want to risk it at the open for nothing. Simeon, hey. My big trade for today is to take out the 87350 low. Okay, we have that, the previous day low, nice. Not wrong. You know, if this one fails to go higher, or maybe sweeps the liquidity up there, boom, goes lower. That can happen. They said same drawdown. Oh, really? I totally missed that. Anyway, MyFundedFutures starter account is going to be a big hit from next month. They said they want to deviate from the other prop firms. Hopefully it will be a better scenario. I think it will be. And they want to do something special, something unique that attracts traders. But the most freedom still, they said, is going to be expert account. Expert account is going to give the most freedom. No consistency, no withdrawal cap, no daily drawdown limit, end of day trailing stop, of course, bi-weekly payouts, and all the good stuff. One major rule is you can't trade the major news. So there's a 4-minute window. You have to be flat. FTA, FOMC, I almost said FTMO, FOMC, NFP, and CPI news mainly. So that's what you have to be aware of. Guys, the sun is shining like crazy. It's super hot outside, and I have to turn the AC on and pull down the shaders a little bit because it's gonna be real hot. I'll be right back. All right. Hey, financial system breaker. What's going on? AC should be on 24/7. Oh yeah. Now I put it on because every window was open. And all right, now it's better. Apex going down. I hope they can refund my loan, man. No way. Loan? Oh, Shaders make you post assassin charts. So no more dog barking. Oh yeah, no more dog barking stuff. I have to be careful. AC 24/7 is so American. $2K, but now just 3. You can still make it. You can still do it. Milyen indikátorokat? Semmit. Gyakorlatilag csak a VWAP-ot. So only using the VWAP. Gabor is asking what indicators I use. Basically nothing. The lines here that you see, I put it here manually. This is manually. I just draw a line every morning manually. Boom, boom, boom. This vertical line and 1, 2, 3 lines with the previous day high, daily, midnight level, and the previous day low. Everything is manually put here every day. Szívesen. But I do have the entry model for with some EMAs, actually 2 EMAs and an RSI. I do have a mechanical entry model which I backtested and it's working. Anyway, what is happening? What is gold doing? Gold is up there. Where can this go? Is gold gonna go higher? Could be. Yeah, I think the relative equal highs are pretty much in play still. 77.25 could be the OTE level. I'm not gonna trade it. Could be. So that's the problem. Maybe I should be streaming like after 10 a.m. every day because there is just nothing to do until 10 a.m. I mean, we have Mondays until Friday, of course, and we have the market open. Nobody opens the trade because everybody's scared what the market is going to do. So what if, you know, I would not even trade until 10 a.m. There's just no use to it. I don't know. So I totally forgot to say, yeah, Buleanox option 2 accounts. We don't speak about it too much, but it's really something to think on because end of day trading drawdown, intraday trading, intraday drawdown limit. I mean daily drawdown limit, which is $1,100 on a 50K account. It's a soft breach, so just as in TopStep, you're gonna get stopped out for the day, but you can continue the next day. But it's not $1,000, but $1,100, the daily drawdown limit. So it's pretty good, and 2,500 overall drawdown limit. I recommend to begin trading after 10:30 a.m. Yeah, New York session. Yeah. Yeah, so I checked back and nothing good comes out of opening a trade before 9:30. I mean, nothing good. And with that being said, you know, sitting before in front of the charts from around 8:30 until 9:30. Except if you're scalping for a few ticks or whatever, it's just almost a waste of time. I'm not saying always, but if I take a trade before market open, it usually goes very bad. MyFunded Expert will forever be the best. Yeah, and it's the yeah. To trade away. Okay, yeah. And also, if someone was trading forex prop firms, I think MyFundedFutures Expert is a good way to transition to futures, because it has the most freedom, of course. Oh, nice. 14 bucks. You know, $14 is $14. Gotta respect it. All right, what else is happening here? There's that movie. It's from the 90s, I think, from 98 or from 99, whatever. Maybe 2000, I'm not sure. Office Space. You guys, some of you guys might seen that movie. It's with Jennifer Aniston and I don't know the guy's name, but it's actually a very simple comedy movie about a few guys who are working in an office and they hate their jobs. I should have never let it go. Don't worry, it's fine. You got it back, that's all that matters. So, multiple accounts in my... Yes, of course. You can have up to 10 evaluation accounts, 3 simulated funded accounts, and 1 live account. So overall, the max is 14 accounts, and you can copy trade them. That's the maximum allocation. So 10 evaluation accounts, 3 simulated funded accounts, and 1 real live account. If you're good, they're gonna call you. Actually, from next month, they're gonna come out with numbers, which means if you reach a certain number in profits on your simulated funded account, then they're automatically going to call you to a live account. And not just, you're automatically going to go to a live account if you reach a certain profit. So not simulated funded account, but real cash live account. And on the live account, I think, starts from simulated funded, withdrawal starts, yeah, exactly. So withdrawal is from simulated funded account. And on the live account, it's not, I don't have confirmation yet, but I was just reading it on Discord, so don't quote me on this. But on the live account, as far as I know, there is no rules. No more rules. It's like a real live account on your own. You can get payouts anytime. Payouts, you can DCA, you can do whatever you want on the live account. It's like having your personal live account with real cash, because you are going to be directly funded with real cash on under your name, under your live account. So no more rules. You can ask payouts directly every day if you want to, if you go to. Don't quote me on this, but I think this is what they were talking about. That's it. Because, you know, Why would they do anything else? Again, MyFundedFutures. Gábor, again. Because why would they, you know, struck you down with the rules if it's already technically paid out by cash to a live account? Mindenképp nézd meg, ez szerintem a legjobb az összes közül. Kicsit drágább, az tény, de a legjobb. De benne van az aktivációs, az expert számláról beszélek egyébként elsősorban. So definitely go check him out. If they put you on a live account, it's going to be exactly like you on your personal live account. Igen, a Blue Sky is drága. One rule you have to go by with MyFundedFutures on the simulated funded account. One major rule and one smaller thing. So the major rule is you cannot trade the news, the main news, which is FOMC, NFP, CPI, maybe PPI, I'm not sure. But there's a 4-minute window, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. That's the main rule on the funded account. You can add to your losing trades, not just once, but more, if, and that's a big if DCAing is not your sole strategy. If DCAing is not your sole strategy, you can add more than once to your losing trade. So that's allowed. And otherwise, what else? That's it. TOPSTEP promo code, there's nothing like that. I only have a link up there in the chat and in the description. If you register for a new account, you're going to have 20% additional discount from the current price, but only if you register for a brand new account. It's for newcomers, most likely, and 50% off from your first reset. So if you have an account, it does not apply to you, but if you click on my link, it gives me some credit for the stream. So that's it. Oh, great. There you go, Dominic. Yeah. The micro scalping rule was always there, actually. It was just not talked about too much. And there's no scaling rule on the expert account. At least not until now. I'm not sure if from next month they're going to be, but they said nothing is going to change on the expert account. So far, the expert account did not have any scaling rule and no withdrawal cap. So they said the starter, I mean, I know the starter account has a scaling rule, but not the expert. You can go all in if you want to, with all contracts if you want, on the expert account. Also, on the evaluation accounts, you can do anything you want. You can trade the news, whatever. I know it's stupid some way. I don't know if it's stupid or not. I guess it's a business model. It's not my side to say good or bad about it, but it's their thing. But you can do anything you want on the only restriction on the simulated funded account is that don't trade for the news. Mainly that's what you have to watch for. And one more thing, you have to trade the account once every week. So even if you just push it with one micro, make sure to trade the account at least once every week. That is something that it's a little bit in the fine print, but that's why I think 2 guys got denied with actually not got, they got paid out, but not with the full amount, because there was a guy who used the expert account. He put on a video on YouTube, but he deleted it. That he made a huge day, $20,000, whatever, and then he was waiting for 2 weeks for the payout, and he did not flip the account until then. So they started to deny it, something like that, and the guy put on a YouTube video, and then he got actually paid out, and then he got the video down. That was the thing. But gotta make sure to push the account once every week with MyFundedFutures. But I do that with all the prop firms. Once every week, I flip all the accounts. Every account I flip once every week with copy trading. Top step 1.5 rule, yeah. Max loss, daily loss. Absolutely, Arkan. And that's why I'm saying the copycat for that is the option 2 account at Buleanox. Technically the same rules. Payout policy is different though. A simára mind a kettőre használhatod a kódomat, ott van fent bal oldalt a Tomszavó. Ráklikkelsz a linkre, mindegy, de ott is be kell írnod. Azt hiszem 5% a starterre, 5%, a expertre meg 20% a kedvezmény most. Ugye a kettő között, az 50 000-es között igazából $37 a különbség, $132 most a 50 000-es expert, a starter az meg 95 a kedvezménnyel, viszont az aktivációs díj benne van az expertben, ott nincs aktivációs díj. Oh yeah, so totally forgot to say there's no activation fee on the expert account. I mean, it's included in the price. It's included in price. And again, from next month, there's going to be the profit numbers going to be presented from MyFundedFutures. If you reach that certain profit, then you're automatically going to a live account. And that's it. Oh, igen. Mincelink a kedvezményt. Hát ha a vadonatúj ügyfél vagy, lehet, hogy ad nagyobb kedvezmény, nem tudom. I think if you're a brand new customer at or your first purchase at MyFundedFutures, it might give you more discount. There's a okay then. Okay, $53. So if you're a brand new customer and you register for the first time with MyFundedFutures and you use the discount code, I think it gives you a one-time welcome discount, 20%. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure. I know that the expert account is down 20% now with the code, but I thought that there is a welcome discount for brand new registrations. I was not sure about that, but oh, thank you, Dominic. Thank you. So we're just waiting, guys. That's why I'm talking about prop firms. I shield prop firms, as you know. That's what I'm famous for. I shield the prop firms. But what to do? I'm not putting on a trade before the open. There's nothing else to do. We're just waiting, guys. Just chilling. So just waiting. What to do? What to do? Those relative equal highs are absolutely juicy out there. Any one of you guys want to go for it at the open? That would be a good target. It's like 30 points only. I'm also looking for order blocks. Why I'm looking for order blocks is, don't ask me why, is because I'm testing out the order block strategy on a separate evaluation account. Anyway, time to invest. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There hasn't been SMT for very long. Time with the S&P, chance it can appear. Look at this, ES still there. Oh, I totally forgot to update my chart. I'm sorry. This is not the midnight level, but it's yesterday's midnight level. Today's midnight level is down there. I think it might want to go higher. So that's why I think we have a good chance to go take out that relative equal highs up there. Okay, let's wait 6 minutes, I think, or something like that. I have to synchronize the clock. Why is that? For some reason, my clock on the Windows is not synchronized properly. I don't know why is that. It's always behind almost 1 minute every day. I have to synchronize it. Could be a motherboard issue, or I don't know. Atomic clock. Yeah. Really, I have to synchronize my clock on Windows. Because I always see that I'm behind 1 minute. And I don't know why is that. Could be a Windows issue or a motherboard issue. Actually, my computer is working fine, flawlessly, but as I said, it's a little bit getting old. All right. Yeah, buy limit at 970. All right, all right. That's a good level. That's actually a good level. Be careful. Be careful. Okay, 3 minutes and 21 seconds until the open. While we are waiting, please push the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Still waiting for... Waiting for the open. And don't expect anything major, I think, until the 10 a.m. news. The market is going to... Maybe it's gonna wick up and down, but I suggest that it could be just going sideways. You know, Windows settings where you set it to sync every 2 minutes with the atomic clock. Okay. Task manager. You can find a process manager. Okay. Okay. Process manager. And in the system settings, all right, I'm gonna go into that. It's in Hungarian. You won't understand it. It's in Hungarian, but I'm gonna check on it. We're gonna have the market open, but you know it's in Hungarian. You won't understand this. So I will find it somewhere, but it's all right because I synchronized it right now manually. But anyway, let's check the open, but we will look into that. We will look into that. This is the 1 minute chart just to see how the market is going to react. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Nothing is happening so far. No major movement. Might want to go to the equal highs. I don't know. Be careful. Look at that. Would you look at that? It might want to take out that equal highs up there. Oh ho ho! I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. It's too risky for me to enter into this one at the open. What if this one is just, you know, taking some liquidity here, and I'm not gonna do anything with that. 110 bucks, nice. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with this. Almost taken out the highs. And I think it's done, right? Almost 1 point away. 26.75 was the high. It didn't take it out yet, I think. 27.75 and 28. So it didn't go up yet. So be careful. Could go down for some liquidity. The high was 26.75, so be careful. Be careful. All right, so we went through, took out the equal highs officially. J-Ho, boom! Hey, awesome. Let me give an applause to all of you guys who made some profit. Congratulations. Boom. I told y'all, long the dip, still equal highs, selling most here. Just short equal high, I'm not greedy. All right. Well, we have the previous day high at 71. Congratulations. J-Ho is, guys, I'm really, with all seriousness, J-Ho is killing it. In the past, I don't even know. I know he's here around, he's around since quite some time, but in the past few weeks, he's killing it, guys. He is just mastering these levels. I don't know. He has something, or there's a glitch in the matrix, or he's Neo or whatever, but he sees these levels. I know we didn't do the stream together yet, but I promised, and I will do the voice chat with J-Ho on live stream. So yeah, he's gonna be talking, and I'm gonna be taking the trades. Gabor 222. How about London on Sunday going into Monday? You know, not bad. Sunday open going into Monday could be all right. Why not? You know, we're gonna chat, talk a little bit. You can give your insights. Why not? It's also a good idea. We're gonna talk about it on Discord. It's a good idea. Or we will find. We definitely have to find a time for that, because why not? You sent it on Discord. Let me check. Jesus, guys, I'm going to share it. I don't care what J-Ho says. I'm going to share it. Look at this. 2 contracts. The guy is printing money. Can you guys see it? Oh yeah, you can. Hold on. Now you can. Oh, you can't. Why that? Why is it not? I'm gonna. What? Still can't. There you go. No. There. So this is J-Ho's trade. Boom. Equal highs. Simple, clean, and that's it. Okay, that was my alert on pound. Don't worry about it. That was just a pound alert. And by the way, I'm also going to call Gabor Dehan on I mean, if he would like to come someday to Discord voice chat, and we're gonna do it like a little bit of a podcast, you know, share some ideas and stuff like that, you know, because Gabor is actually killing it also. He was calling out awesome levels. The way he sees things is pure gold, I think. He has a different approach, I know, than I do, because I'm a turtle next to him, but he's a better risk taker than I am. But he sees the levels. He's very good. Boom, Marcus. Yeah. Okay, daily fair value gap up there. Going into it. Look at that. Keltner channel. Okay. I heard about it, and I was reading a lot about it. I saw some people, you know, back in the days, guys, it is something that proves that I'm getting old. You know, when I first encountered trading, it was back in 2007. I was 20-something years old. 2007, not 17, 2007. There was no prop firms and anything like that. And there was no Discord, and there was no, you know, these kind of memberships. I mean, there was membership, but there was chat rooms. I paid like $200 a month for a chat room on a website. And what we had back in the days was maybe Forex Factory and some forums on the internet. And the Keltner channel reminds me that a few people were using that, and the Keltner channels, and I remember they were making a lot of money on it. So yeah. I mean, I don't know really. I haven't really dived into it, to be honest. But I remember that it's an old school thing. If it works, you know, that's great. But I remember that quite some traders were going for it, and they were using it. Still using it, I guess. So all right. All right, today I made 600. I made nearly $600 on the funded accounts, which is more than nothing. But I wasn't doing it on stream, I was doing it hindsight. I did not call these trades because these were scalping, but yeah. Okay. 425. You're walking away. That's 14, 18 bucks coming from minus, dude. Absolutely. That is something, that is a good decision. Absolutely a good decision. And by the way, now that we arrived into this daily fair value gap, I think it's a place where we could be looking for possible shorts, but after the news comes out. Oh yeah, let me give you a proper applause, because that's a very, 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 very good result. Coming back from that negative 993 to a positive 425. Yeah. Sometimes we do need lady luck, you know. Sometimes we need lady luck a little bit. Muchas gracias, señor Tam. You're very welcome, señor Gabor. I like Spanish language, by the way. Full margin now. No, no, no. No. Actually, that's not Spanish. Is that, what's the difference? Is that, I mean, Mexican is that too much different from Spanish in dialect or the core itself? It's, I think it's the same kind of language with a different dialect, some different words. Is that, am I correct, or do I know it completely wrong? Maybe I'm wrong about it. But I like to hear Mexicans talking, you know, in the movies. That's a Spanish dialect, something like that. Anyway, I have to put some cologne on myself because I'm getting sweaty. Much better. Mexican is just about as different from pure Spanish than Puerto Rican. Okay, that didn't tell me too much, but I guess it's right. I still like to hear. I still like to hear Mexicans talking. They do understand each other. Okay, okay. Then now I understand. Okay, okay. So it's something like, you know, I live in Hungary, but around us, you know, we have Slovakia, Slovenia, and the Czech Republic. So those people, Slovenians and Slovakians, and also the Czech, with the Croatians, a lot of words are almost exactly the same. So they understand each other almost, I'm not saying perfectly, but mainly, you know, good. So that it's interesting, and we are right in the middle because our people came here 1,000 years ago and, you know, killed everybody. So that's why they hate us. So we came here, Slovakian brother here. There you go. So the Hungarians came 1,000 years ago, or more than 1,000 years ago, with their bows and killed everyone. And then that's why everybody hates the Hungarians in the middle. And we have these countries around us with very similar dialect and you know, Vlad the Impaler. Yeah, it was him. So they came and they were not nice, our ancestors, but it is what it is. You know, I can't do anything about it. Don't hate me. It's history now. And Uncle Vlad did it right. You know, they came with the horses and the bows, and they said, you know, all right, boys, I think, you know, it's going to be all right. You know, we just have to clear out those people from the way, make some space for the tents. So, and something like that happened. And yeah. But anyway, it's amazing how these dialects are so similar to each other. Yeah. Actually, the Hungarians back in those days were kind of like a little bit barbarians, you know, because, you know, these people were living here somewhat peacefully, you know, the ancestors of the Slovakians and all these Slavic people, they were living here. And out of nowhere came these barbarian Hungarians. And, you know, yeah. And that is what it is. Let's see what is happening. Okay, let's check on gold. Everybody's waiting for news, so my DNA gave me 98% blood, and to soften the barbaric blood, I got 2% of Viking. I mean, you know, Gabor, definitely the picture you posted of yourself, you know, in your age, you definitely look like Aquaman, you know, so definitely you have some good genetics there. Which reminds me, in the movie, what's it called? The Justice League? When Barry Allen asking Batman, played by Ben Affleck, aka Bruce Wayne, in the car, by the way, what's your superpower? And he says, I'm rich. I would go with that superpower. So I'm rich. It's the waiting game. What can we do? Morning idea. Financial system breaker. Let's check. Oh yeah, I remember this. Look at this guy. I told him I don't like this idea. And he took it anyway. Hey, it's beautiful. Nice job there. I like the levels outlined beautifully here. Nice chart. Clean. Simple levels. That's it. That's nice. Wow. That's super clean. I do like it. That is absolutely nice. Congrats. Wow. Oh. That's good. Simple Rex. Yeah. Okay, so it's repricing a fair value gap. I'm gonna delete this line, it's irrelevant. Where can we go from here if it wants to continue higher? If it wants to continue higher. repricing the gap completely up there. I would like to see a sell-off, to be honest. I would like to see a sell-off. We have some relative equal lows down there. I like the area. It would be awesome. Oh, I like Rick and Morty. They are awesome. Although I did not see the new seasons. Maybe I'm off by 2 seasons, I think, or something like that. I didn't have the time, but I saw the first 3 or 4 seasons. I think I do like it. I do love Family Guy too. Family Guy is an all-time favorite for me. But I like Rick and Morty too. South Park is good as well. I like these junk cartoons or whatever it's called, but Rick and Morty is superb. I don't know how they come up with the ideas to create a cartoon filled with so many stupid ideas which actually are working, like in Rick and Morty. I don't know. 536. Gabor is not stopping, guys. He's not stopping. He's just going for it. He's not stopping. No, he's not the kind of person who stops. Yeah, I heard about that. They're actually eating those mushrooms, and they come up with these crazy ideas. I actually heard that story somewhere on or read it. I don't know. That they're literally getting drugged, and they come up with all these crazy ideas. And actually, it works because people love it. Yeah, you shorted it. It was a nice trade, Gabor. It was. You can grow them in your wardrobe in a plastic box. I didn't know that. I actually didn't know that you can actually grow them in a plastic box in your wardrobe. That is crazy. Wow. That is crazy. Makes you quit smoking instantly if you want to quit smoking. Yeah, but what's going to happen instead? You know, what's going to be the other thing that it does to you? Oh my god. It's legal to buy sports. Oh, right. Okay. Well, I don't think I'm gonna go into that. I had my fair share of wild things in my 20s, so you will fall in love with nature and with you are spiritually. Oh no. It was in the news. Some famous Hungarian celebrity girl was found naked in the woods because she was eating these mushrooms, and she was found in the forest naked. It's a whole other level. All right. What are you talking about? No, it was just mushrooms. We're just talking about mushrooms. Just mushrooms. Not gonna take mushrooms. Let's see. No money there. Yes, definitely have to sit on our hands. News out in 3 minutes and 26 seconds. See, I told you. Yeah. 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 Interesting how fast we got into. How far was it? It was at 27. We went up 50 points. Boom. Straight up. Straight up. Final second and do some yard work. I think you should bank that 555. So close the charts. Close them. And do whatever, you know. But I know you. You're gonna come back. I'm gonna be seeing you later on Myth stream. You're gonna be there, and you're gonna be up like 700 bucks, 800 bucks. That's all I'm gonna see. Gabor is up 1,200 bucks. I see you guys. I'm in the background lurking. He's talking about my guarantee again. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I have to figure out something about this because there's too much guarantee, you know, that has been... I'm putting up with too much guarantee. I just can't do it. Simultaneously. Jesus. Oh. That could be annoying. Another donkey guarantee. Jesus Christ. All right. All right. Chachi Garancia. All right. Tell him. No, don't tell him. I don't have his stream open, but I'm going to go there. And I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know. Narrow sideways. Love you, guy. Love you too. Peace out. Thanks for being here. That's how you do it. Make your money, take the money, and that's it. News are less than 1 minute away. Are you stream sniping entries? No. 57 short. You're short from 57. All right. Well, let's see what the numbers. Home sales. I don't expect too much of a movement, but at least after this number, we can see something moving. Maybe. I don't know. So, all right, we have the number. Let me open the chart. What is this? This is the 1 minute NQ. All right, not much movement, honestly. Nothing special so far on the charts. Nothing special. Okay, this is not moving. Created a structure here, but I don't know if it's going to go higher. Gold is going higher. Wow, look at that. Gold just started to shoot up. No entry for me on gold, of course. Let me check the high. Sorry, excuse me. Where are we? I'm just gonna put the recent high up there. Buy side liquidity. Okay, could be interesting. Could be interesting. And I'm gonna wait. Going back to NQ. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Going back to the fair value gap. No entry. Oh, NASM. Hold on. Where is my Twitter? Where is my Twitter? Oh, here it is. Jesus. Wow. Nice, látom. Fú. Szép. Szép. 5. A befejezés a lényeg. Szép volt. Ez nagyon szép. Nice job there. Finished up with $555. Congratulations there. $7 is, is $7. Almost fudged it. The main thing is that you came out of it in the green. The rest of it is in the past. It's in the past. It doesn't matter anymore. All right. Still there. Nothing is really moving. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, read the rules carefully. The fine print is that basically that you have to watch for is flip the account once every week. That's important. Once every week, because otherwise they can deny the payout. Okay, that's one. And the other one news trading is not allowed. 4-minute window, 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after, on the major news only. And about the DCAing, they allow you to add, but if they're going to check your account when you apply for a payout, and if they see that you're only DCAing and there's no real strategy, I don't know, it's a little bit gray. They have the right to deny it. So that's it. Otherwise, no caps, no consistency, no daily limit, daily drawdown limit, end of day trailing, bi-weekly payout. Actually, and if you ask for a payout, it's going to get deducted from your balance right at the moment. So you click for a payout request and it's going to come down from your balance and you can continue to trade. For example, this is a plus to some other prop firms that you have to wait for quite sometimes days or even 2 weeks or more. In this case, it's going to be deducted and you can continue to trade. Anyway. The micro scalping is basically, there's something about micro scalping at MyFundedFutures, but it's only for if you're going for 4 or 5 ticks and if you're holding the position for less than 5 or 6 seconds with a big lot size. And you don't have to put on stop loss, by the way. It's not mandatory as long as you have a normal equity curve with no YOLOing. But the micro scalping is something that basically hold the trade more than 6 seconds or something and don't go for 5 ticks or 6 ticks or whatever, something like that. SMT appeared. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, ES up there. And oh, what? Interesting. Well, yeah. On ES. On ES. It made a higher high. June 26, 4. I don't know. Is this an SMT? It also made a higher high from June 26th. I mean, yesterday. I don't know. Is it? Maybe. I don't think. I don't know. Lower wick. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see. All right. All right. So that's bullish for NQ, I guess. Could be popping higher. I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, so just saying that the expert promotion, I'm reading this, Matt put it out on Twitter, is not going to be around in July. So the expert promo is only in June. Next month, it's not going to be 20% off on the expert accounts. So get it while you can. Yeah, look at that. NQ is going up. Okay. All right. Nvidia 2% down. That's good to know. That is good to know, actually. Oh, man. So far, nothing. NQ repricing the whole fair value gap up there. Great. Gold might want to push higher into buy side, but I'm not going to risk anything on gold right now. I'm gonna be watching NQ for some other targets. We have a no, we don't have, sorry. I'm watching the 15-minute. No order block there. I'm gonna wait for a short. That's it. Because I have no target up there, to be honest. Stop loss. That's the first time I think I hear you say that. I mean, that you're writing this on the chat. What's happening, Marcos? Come on. You're better than that. Yeah. No, I know you'll make it. I know you're. I know for you it's a routine. You can print money. You can print it. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. It has always got a target. I know you secretly learn it off stream. Yeah. Yeah, it always has a target. Yeah. Oh man, it's just a waiting game. What to say? What to say? I don't know what to do. Shai Sosa, hey. Doing okay. Made some profits back on the funded accounts, so I don't know if I'm gonna risk too much for this session. I might gonna no. I mean, it tickles my mind to jump into gold long position for that buy side, but since I missed my entry this morning, I don't think I'm gonna do it. It's pretty much up there, and gold is tricky. Took out some levels. It's a low probability setup on gold, so I don't want to do that. but nothing special. All right, you know what, guys? I think this is it for me. I did what I could, but that's it. I can't call more trades. Silver bullet hour. I don't think I'm gonna have my setup here, and I don't trade the PM session. You know, I exactly know what to do. I wait. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'm not taking more trades. I made some good profits. I'm happy about it. Marcos, careful with the longs, but I think it might go higher. It doesn't seem like it wants to lose steam here, so it's still looking very bullish. Let's go 69. All right. So I think this is it for me. I'm coming back tomorrow in London session. I'm very, very grateful for everyone who joined today. But I'm not going to trade the launch hour and the PM session. I did not see any trades that I like, but I'm still happy. Okay. So thanks again for being here. Have an awesome morning, evening, whatever. And be safe. See you guys in the London session. I hope you join me again. And if you would like to support, please take my codes and links. That would be helping out with a great manner. And thank you again. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers, everybody. Peace out.